Now we need to take the handle and put this on. Now it's going to go this way, so it's kind of angled up towards the head of the string trimmer. Flick this green tab open and then undo the thumb screw on the back. Pull this out. What it's going to allow us to do is put this over the shaft, and then this little bracket on the other side is going to go in and wedge it from the other side. So to get this on, you're going to have to force it over the shaft. So keep your fingers clear on the back and then just push it down. There we go. So let's just tilt it like there. Take this little piece, slot that on. Take this green piece and we're going to thread it through. It has to go through this back piece here, and then it's going to come out the other side. Then we can take our wing nut and we can tighten that back up. What I like about this system is you can easily change the height of this handle without having to undo too many pieces. We're going to tighten that up there, flip this over, tighten this up. Don't tie it too much. We'll take this green lever and then we can push that down. That's going to lock this handle in place. If we want to move this handle up and down the shaft, we can release this green sleeve here and then we can move it down, or we can move it back up. Once we've got the right place, we can just simply lock it in place